Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Sharifuddin bin Muhammad Sabri from class EE 2423B. For question 1, write a program to move the 8-bit hex number 76 to the register R2. For question 1, I use MOV because it is a small value. So I write like this: R2 hashtag 0 times 76. So we can see at the core part at R2 it will appear 0 times 000000076. For question 2, write a program to load R2 with the 32-bit hex number 76543210. I use LDR and write like R2 equals 0 times 76543210, and after we run it, we can see at the core part at R2 it apply like we program it like 0 times 76543210. For question 3, write a program to store the memory location 0 times 40004020 with 16-bit hex number AB12. I use LDR for R1, which is 0 times 40004020, and next is I use MOV R2 hashtag 0 times AB12, and I use strh to store the data R2 at address R1. As you can see, at the core part, R1 will appear like we program it 0 times 40004020, and R2 is 0 times 0000 AB12. And at the below part, that is yellow one, we can see at the disassembly at the address R1, we can see AB12 at that place. For question 4, the question asks to write program to load the R5 with 16-bit hex number 89cc and assume the 16-bit number comes from memory location 0 times 40000500. I use MOVW because it is 16-bit and write R1 hashtag 0 times 89cc. Next, I use LDR because it is 32-bit value and write R2 equals to 0 times 40000500. Next, I store the data R1 at the address R2, and lastly, I use LDRH actually to store the data R2 in R5. As we can see at the yellow part 1, the data 89cc is at this address, at R5 address, which is 0 times 40000500. For question 5, write a program to add 32-bit hex number. The question asks me to use 32-bit, so I have to use LDR. So I write R0 equals to 0 times 11223344, and next LDR for R1, 0 times AA, BB, CC, DD. So as we can see at the core part at R1, we can see it applied like we program it. So at the R2, I have use add at the R2. So at the core part R2, it will appear the answer of the addition. For question 6, write a program to perform the following operation. Question asks to use subtraction function. So next I will use LDR because it is 32-bit. LDR for R1 also and for R0. For R1 I write 0 times AA, BB, CC, DD. For R0 also LDR 0 times 11223344. And for the subtraction function I use SUB sub R2, R1 and R0. After running the program, we can see at the core part for R0 and R1 it will appear like we program it, and for R2 the answer of the subtraction. Question 7. Write a program to multiply. This question asks to use multiply function. So I use MOVW because it is 16-bit value for R0. Also for R1 also I use MOVW. Alright, for R0 I write hashtag 0 times 6398. For R1 0 times 1 DFE. For multiply I use MUL and R2, R1, R0. Okay, right, after running the program, as we can see at the core part, R0 0 times 0006398, just like we program it. Also in R1, and at the R2 we can see the answer of the multiply function. Question 8 asks to write a program to OR data in R3 with 0 times 1 0 and store the answer in R5. I use MOV because it is 16-bit value in R3 and R2. I write hashtag 0 times 00 AA for R3 and for R2 also MOV hashtag 0 times 0010. And for OR I put at in R4. Okay, we can see at the core part in R2 and R3 it apply like we program it, but in R4 it is the answer of OR. Okay, next I use strh for store R4 in address of R5. At the yellow one, we can see the answer of OR, which is OOBA. It is in the address of R5. Last question, question 9. This question asks to compare the number 5 with register R2. So I declare the LDR R1 0 times 4002000. Next MOV for R2 I choose 3. Next it's compare that what question asks, it is 5. Then if the value is higher than 5 it will be stored, but if the number is lower than 5, it will added by 1. Then as we can see at the core part, at R1, it appear like we program it, but in R2 its answer is 4 because in that program we declared 3, so it will added by 1. And after that we store the R2 in address R1. That's all from me. Thank you.